Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Take a second and listen up. If you are considering buying a drone, you're about to buy a drone, or you're watching this video to see if you want to buy a drone, you need to buy DJI Care. You have to buy DJI Care. First of all, I think that DJI Care is only like $200 for an entire year. Believe me, watching your drone crash, fall into the water, or break, or whatever happens along the way, it is the most crushing thing in the world. So just do yourself a favor and buy the DJI Care. Don't ask, just buy it. I've flown drones before. No. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's jump into the actual video. So get that going. First things first, I'm gonna need some coffee. Let's get right into it. About 2 days ago, I was filming a music video. We had just finished up the first 2 locations. I had flown the Phantom at both of those locations, no problem. Keep in mind, this is less than a month with the drone. This is maybe the 10th-ish flight or something like that. So we had just finished up filming at these 2 locations and we went to the last one in hopes of catching sunset. It was time to get the drone out. If anyone has shot sunsets before, you know that time is money. You're losing light. You just want to get the shot and not missing anything. So, as you can see from the footage, we were up on a sea cliff. I was coming back in to land the drone and I was about 30-40 feet off the ground. As we were coming back into the sea cliffs, I think that the elevation sensor got confused and it was losing altitude as it was coming back up the sea cliffs. The obstacle avoidance sensors started beeping at me. I let go of the controllers, pretty much just took a 45-degree angle nosedive right into the ground at very high speeds. Kind of popped back up, did a little flip, and then nosedived again about 15 feet away from the original crash site. I don't know which crash did what, but it seemed like the second crash took the most damage to the drone. It broke the gimbal right off. It broke the arm. Definitely did some serious damage to the structural integrity of the entire drone. The crash did break one of the propellers, and I have extra propellers, but so obviously I was very, very sad, but on the bright side, we had just finished up everything that we need to shoot at this location and for the day, in fact. So I do have all the shots. I have been nothing but happy with this Phantom 4. I love everything about it. Unbelievably stable in the air. Like I said, I love the drone. So now that I've kind of told you the story, I'm just gonna tell you how I went about fixing it, kind of the process of dealing with DJI along the way. If you're watching this video, maybe you've just broken your drone, or maybe you're kind of just researching DJI customer support. So this will kind of be a start to finish of me crashing the drone to hopefully receiving either a new drone or a repaired drone, and how much it will cost along the way. We'll see how it goes. So I started this whole process by jumping on the phone with DJI customer care. Relatively easy process, but they ended up just telling me that I'm gonna need to open a case on their website, and she kind of walked me through the steps of how to do that. And it's really easy. You just get right on their website, you open a repair case, and it kind of just walks you through the process, asks for the serial number, asks how to contact your shipping information. It gives you an opportunity to write a little bit of information about the case and what happened or what is wrong with your drone. It basically led me to sending back the entire drone package with all the broken parts. Once it gets to their facility, they will kind of assess how much damage there is, how much they will cover, if they cover anything at all, and they will give me a quote on how much the entire process of getting this fixed is going to cost. So now we've just got to pack it back up and get it shipped off to DJI. Part of the way through the process, DJI had requested you not send back any items that are unbroken. Just a quick update here. Just a little glitch in the system. After about 4 days of being back and forth with DJI customer support, we found out that they've been sending the shipping label to the wrong email. I started this video Thursday of last week. It is now Wednesday. I just wanted to keep you updated as to how the DJI customer service is working for me and how I'm dealing with it. So now that I've got my shipping label, let's go. 2 more stops to go. 1, UPS store for the drone. 2 is USPS for the step-down rings that I'm returning. I'm sorry, you don't know if the UPS store is around here?
Yeah, it's on Amazon.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Thank you. There it is. Hi, how are you? Awesome, thank you. Have a good day. Hi, how are you? Thank you.
Sorry.
It's all right. Now, one thing I might say is that I did have to buy the corrugated cardboard box for the actual drone box to go into. And other than spending $7-ish on the box, this has been a super easy process other than the printing. Again, if I had a printer, this would just be that much easier. Just got to the post office here. I'm definitely not supposed to do this, but I'm gonna run inside. Oh, you got it? You the man. Toss it. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, you as well. It's got super lucky right there. Woo! And through what was a relatively painless process, we have the drone shipped back to DJI for repairs. And really now it's just time to wait. All right, let's get you caught up real quick. After I sent the drone back to DJI, within 2 days, I had an email from them outlining what was wrong with the drone and how much it was going to cost. After they sent me the pricing sheet, I was given a link to pay for the drone's repairs via PayPal. Almost immediately after paying for the repairs, I was sent another email that confirmed my payment and also told me how many days it was going to take them to repair. The repairs literally only took 2 days. They did the flight check and then they sent it back to me. So in less than 2 weeks, I got my Phantom 4 back. So I've actually had this since yesterday and I've been dying to open it. So I think it's time to open this thing. Let's go. Looks like they sent me some more propellers too. It's the best feeling in the world. You know, I kept hearing nightmare stories about DJI and their customer support, but I had no issues. So I know there are a number of you who have been wondering how much this was going to cost from the very beginning, and that number, the entire repair, was $282. So that is all of the parts that it took to rebuild the drone, as well as the man hours it took to make the actual repairs. All in all, $282 compared to a brand new drone. I'll pay that all day. That's it from you guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you. But for now, that's it. So peace.